All right, number 2 arrived. So this is Bowling World number 2 surprise ball that I bought. So the first one, if you watched my video, I got the Brunswick Hypnotize. I actually hit the jackpot on that one. I was pretty stoked. So this is the second one. And once I got that, the day I got that one, I said, what the hell, let's get another one. So you are here to witness the unboxing of the second one. What am I going to get? Am I going to get another high performance ball, or is it going to be a medium performance ball? What are we going to get? I'll be happy with whatever I get, but the anticipation is driving me nuts. Okay, so I'm going to do a little quick peek. Oh, what do we have? What do we have? I think I see a Columbia 300. What do we got? What do we got? All right, so it's a Columbia 300 ball, which I don't have any current Columbia 300 balls. I have discontinued. So this ball I don't have. Could it be the Ricochet? I would be stoked if it's the Ricochet. I really want a Ricochet. Oh, they're making me. Oh, you know what? It could come in a different box too. That's right. They said it could come in a different box and not the original box. So what is it? Ah, there we go. Piranha Power Core Pearl. This is a pretty good ball. I think this one's actually, let's make sure that's what it is. Yeah, Piranha Power Core Pearl. I think this one is $180, if I'm not mistaken. Not a bad ball. It's a Pearl. 2.51 and 0.55 diff. Okay, so it's symmetrical. Very cool. Let's see what this one costs. Piranha Power Core Pearl. Yeah, oh shit, okay. $160. So I got a $160 ball for $99. I'm not complaining. Hell yeah. So another good ball. Pretty stoked. I'm going to drill this one up pretty soon too. So awesome. I got another symmetrical Pearl, and this will be the second Columbia 300 that I own. Awesome. Cool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that, and I may get another one. I'm probably going to wait till the end of the month to get another surprise ball, because I know there's a lot of new Brunswick releases coming out on the 20th, so I'll probably wait till then. But hope you guys enjoyed watching this. This is my second surprise ball. Not a bad ball to get for my second one. Like I said, $160 online, and I got it for 99 bucks. Pretty stoked. All right, if you guys like what you see, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.